Chia pet, chia pet. Oh my gosh, hello. Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa live. I'm Lisa. This is most obviously definitely live. And sorry to say these are not veg, but they are the most amazing little nutritional powerhouses. That's right, my friends. These are chia seeds. Oh boy. And today I'm going to whip up a really easy, super simple, delicious chia pudding. But before I get started, please type in the comments, say hi, let me know that you're here, that you can see me and that you can hear me. And we're going to make some chia pudding, chia pudding. Okay, so one thing I want to show you that is like so cool about this, you need no fancy utensils or equipment or anything to make chia pudding. I use a jar and one of my favorite kitchen tools, a funnel. Old school, low tech, that's it. So of course, since this is chia pudding, we're gonna, isn't the funnel amazing? Watch. You can see all those little beautiful chia seeds going in. Do you know, besides being absolutely delicious, chia seeds are such a nutritional powerhouse, which is just amazing. Oh, I poured them all in there. I was going to show you. Oh, here, for these little teeny weeny little seeds. Look at those. They are really high in omega-3s, which you may hear about. They're really good for your body and your brain. We need them. We need them in our diet. And 2 tablespoons. So a tablespoon, where's my tablespoon? My mushroom tablespoon, just this amount. 2 of these chia seeds in them is like 5 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. Talk about boom, nutritional powerhouses. Okay, so let's get back to our pudding. I've got my chia seeds in the jar, and then I'm going to add some non-dairy milk. I made my own cashew milk. You don't have to do that. You can use whatever you want. If you're buying non-dairy milk, make sure that you read the label because they are often contaminated with fillers and sugars and seed oils and gunks and stuff that you don't want. I like to use half non-dairy milk and half water just to make it a little lighter, but you can of course use all non-dairy milk. And then, oh gosh, I hope my jar is big enough. What if I have a disaster? Walnuts, you could use any kind of nuts. If you use walnuts, you're getting an extra boost of omega-3s. And what else do I want to put in here? Oh, you know what? I usually put just a little pinch of sea salt. It, oh, heaven's sake, I need 3 hands. Actually, I need 4. Just a little pinch of sea salt. It kind of helps enhance and carry the flavors. What else? Oh, yes, yes, yes. I like cinnamon. So I'm going to put some cinnamon into my jar. And I also like a little bit of vanilla. Just a little bit of pure vanilla extract will be fantastic in the pudding. And then because I can't help myself, another amazing superfood is cacao nibs. So I'm going to throw a whole tablespoon of those. Now, you're probably wondering, you're putting that all in the jar. Are you just going to eat that with a spoon? Not yet. Shake, 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 shake. Look at this. Chia Beth, hi. Oh my gosh. It's great to see you on Veg with Lisa live. Chia Pet. By the way, Beth Buffington, who just logged on from Create Today, she and I are planning some amazing upcoming retreats. So if you want to get in the know on that, type in the comments and we'll add you to our list. By the way, my retreat in May, Spirit of the Mountain, has a few spots left. So if anybody wants to join us for a retreat, fine, maybe we'll make some chia pudding. Type in the comments and let us know. Okay, so that is all you do. You shake, 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 and then you toss it in the refrigerator. Now I want to show you how beautiful this is when it comes out. Look at this. So what I like to do is put them in these little single serving jars, grab and go. You can make this the night ahead or honestly just a little bit ahead of time. I made this just a couple hours ago and look at how it has already turned into pudding. Oh my gosh, this kind of reminds me of tapioca. And then look at these little beautiful, aren't these lovely? These little violas straight out of my garden. I'm going to add those and some fresh mint. Oh, and I put some berries, blueberries, blackberries. I'm telling you what, you can hardly get a more delicious, more nutritious, more tasty-licious, easy-licious breakfast, snack, treat, dessert, and I'm gonna do the royal testing right now. Look at this. Mmm, mmm, mm, 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 mm. Nothing more to say except for amazing. Thank you for joining me and Beth for Veg with Lisa live. Type in the comments. I can send you a PDF of this recipe, and let me know if you want to be on our retreat VIP shortlist. See you next time. Mm.